Hey there, job seekers. Tired of sending out resumes and getting zero responses? I get it, it's frustrating. Many of you have told me I've learned the concepts, but I haven't worked on real-life projects. Well, let's fix that today. These projects will not only boost your skills, but make your resume stand out. First up, the classic project. This is a treasure trove of automation challenges. I recommend using the framework with Python here. Trust me, recruiters love seeing this on a resume. Next, dive into It's perfect for practicing search functionalities and pagination. Use the framework to organize your tests. Don't forget to push your code to GitHub. Let's move on to the project. Here, you can automate HR functionalities, think login, user management, and more. Use for this one. Real-world projects like these show employers you mean business, is another biggie. Try automating user flows on platforms like focus on adding to cart, checkout, and payment processes. Use the framework for behavior-driven development. Want to impress even more? Automate the website. It's challenging but shows you can handle large-scale environments. Use for this one, it's great for writing detailed test cases. Need more? I got you. Check out projects on websites like and. Automate form submissions, drag and drop interactions and more. Use framework, don't forget the project. Automate tasks like adding customers, updating records and generating reports. Use to run tests on multiple browsers and systems is another excellent project. Automate sorting, filtering, and extracting data from web tables. Use library along with Selenium for data manipulation. Also, practice on platforms like and. These offer a variety of scenarios for automation. Use different frameworks like and to diversify your skills. And here's a pro tip. Document all your projects. Use templates for test plans, test strategies, test cases, and bug reports. Upload these documents to your GitHub repository. This shows recruiters that you understand the full testing lifecycle. If you want the links to these projects, hit that like button and comment yes below. Also, don't miss out on our free workshop on creating the perfect resume. The link is in the description. Like, comment, and share this video. And subscribe for more content to help you land your dream job. Until next time, happy automating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for the early discount on our Python batch. See you in the next video.